Hello everyone. On today's episode of Meaningful Mondays with Neha, I have a very special guest, Nishita Thakur. Well, she is the founder of KidsCare app, and what KidsCare is? Well, an app that sorts all your stress with regards to your kids, medication, vaccination paper. So basically, she's going to compile all your stuff, your paperwork into an app. More on this, on how she started off with it, how this idea came up to her, and her journey. We are going to deep dive into all of this just in a few minutes. So let's just get started. Hi Nishita, thank you so much for being on my show. It is a pleasure to have you. Something unique, you are the founder of KidsCare. Guys, this is an app and we are going to talk a lot about this and about her entrepreneurship, how she got this idea and what it is all about. So let me just quickly jump into the conversation. Yes, Nishita.
Hello Neha, thank you so much for inviting me for this session. I was thrilled with your idea like unfiltered Monday. That's what catch my attention and I thought like कि मतलब traveling for this cause could be like more of a fun thing for me ना.
Yes, so we are going to have a lot of fun as my podcast is always, the USP of it is not scripted and we are going to be just talking our hearts out and that way the conversation goes perfect, right? So tell me, Nishita, you started KidsCare, but I understand it came from a very pain point from your personal experience where you had your twins who were born like preterm and take us back into that memory of yours. I understand it's been 11 years now or your kids are all grown up, but how was the experience and how did you come to this idea of starting with KidsCare?
Definitely, Neha. To start off with, it comes from my personal experience. But that was not something when I look back to that phase, like 11 years back, I had a high risk pregnancy and I had premature delivery in 6.5 months only.
Oh,
My
okay.
kids were premature, they were in an ICU for 2 months. So this startup plan was not planned or something in my
Certainly,
mind at
nobody
that
thinks
time.
about it like
Yeah,
that. True, very true.
at that time survival of those kids were more important
Right,
for me. Like,
right.
but later on when I had gone through the process, it was more like with double the joy you have got came with a double quantum of responsibilities,
Responsibility, right.
paperwork. They were in an ICU for like 2 months. I had the double set of papers like each day. It comes with reports, prescription, the admission, discharge, and everything. Later on, I realized like initial 5 years of what they call like premature babies are like crucial. They have that initial 5 years
Okay.
more crucial, like they are more prone to infection and all, like something.
Oh, you're talking
So
5 years itself. I thought it's
yeah,
only until they reach probably
no,
three,
the
4 months.
initial 5 years are more crucial for them.
Oh, okay.
So then it came to us like कि मतलब those papers were like keep on multiplying with each visit and all like and during that phase only in 2016 when I moved from Delhi to Bangalore, then again the like piles of papers were keep on adding because once the kids are there you see different doctors, like you
Correct,
go for an
correct,
eye
correct.
checkup, you go for a dental checkup and all those things. So those medical files were like more into
आपका
like
तो पूरा एक bundle up हो जाता
I
होगा.
still have that stack of papers with me,
Right,
like
right.
because the fear in mothers never goes away,
Agree,
like so
completely.
that's
Yeah.
what the thing. But later on, when I was like more settled, they were 2.5 years old. They started going to playgroup and all. Then I realized like कि when we compare it with other countries like West countries,
Correct.
they have that digitalization rate. You don't need to carry your paper file
Paper
over
files
there,
everywhere.
like. But in India, still it's preferred the traditional way
Way.
of carrying the
Yeah.
papers with you, and doctors go through the prescription and everything. Once you miss out the things like
Right.
any of those things, that continuity of care gets
Correct. It
disturbed.
gets
Like,
lost and it. I understand totally as you're saying. It becomes very overwhelming. आपके लिए तो even more क्योंकि अब आपके दो थे तो आपको एक का भी maintain करना है, दूसरे का भी करना
yeah,
है,
definitely.
and एक का illness can be different to the other. So
Definitely, it differs,
maintaining
like.
that very correctly और जब छोटे होते हैं तो ज़्यादा difficult होता है. I understand. As they grow, it might still be better.
Yeah.
So okay, but the idea is amazing. I mean, that's where you came up with this idea कि भाई इतनी मोटी फाइलें ले
Yeah.
लेके घूमो, वो भी 2 बच्चों का, तो then you must be having a bag itself, bag full of it.
Definitely, yeah. With as it says, na, with diaper bag, more than diaper bag, I used to carry that bag like
Those
till
paper
let's have
bags,
the
right.
records on time with me, like. And it's more of a parenting thing, na. You can't remember everything
No,
at
no,
a
definitely
time,
not,
like,
yeah.
what was the last vaccination given,
Correct,
what
correct.
was the last, more than vaccination, what was the last treatment given, you don't remember it,
Remember,
like.
very
And
true.
for kids, that continuity of care has to be
It
done,
has to be
like,
there, very
has
true.
to be there,
And as you
like.
said in your case, maybe because they were premature, you had to take more care until 5 years at least,
That
as you
fear
say.
was more
Yeah.
like for me, but definitely for every parent, you don't want to end up in emergency that you don't know your
Correct.
kids are allergic to something, what
Correct.
was the last dose given, like, because with every height and weight, the doses of medicines differ.
Will differ.
With
Correct.
every year, something or the other thing will differ.
Differ.
Like,
Correct.
so we need to have, like, if everything is getting disliked, why not health records, like.
Right. So as they say, truly worked in your case, where they say necessity is the mother of invention, and because you were so piled up and so stressed with this thing, you came up with this. And I'm happy and grateful that you actually have come up with this, because I personally feel it's a fantastic idea. Until I spoke to you and I came to know about Kitskar, guys, trust me, I never even thought like that, you know, कि wow, मतलब it could be maintained digitally, and कितना easy है. मैं आज
That's
भी,
what-
as you're saying, my son is 11 years old, his vaccination is around, but आज अगर कुछ हो जाता है ना, तो I have to go search those papers, कितना उसको डोज देना है दवाई का, लास्ट ईयर अगर सेम था तो if I can repeat or not, मतलब it's मतलब hassle. And then when I came across you and when we spoke, I felt, I mean, it's amazing, guys. You should check out the app, and you know, if you have kids, just download it and you will get to know more about it. So let's move on to our next question with you, Nishita. Tell me one thing. Now, mostly, you know, 90% of the households, the concept funda is that ke bhai, parenting, there is something called as co-parenting, but there's nothing called as equal parenting so far. In our society for sure, not sure with the West. But how do you think, you know, this, because everything, mostly the moms have to remember, and I'm sure, you know, you've been through that, okay, everything, the files, the papers, everything, and the vaccination and all that. So how do you think this concept of, you know, parenting and fusing it with the kind of help that has come into place, how do you think that reduces the friction at home in your, you know, the whole setup also, how that stress levels have, you know, helps you reduce that stress?
When we talk about equal parenting and all, it's all like a myth only. मतलब ultimately it's not like feminist
Practicality
corner,
कुछ भी नहीं है उसमें.
but it depends upon the mothers only. Like
Right.
मतलब they can be a helping hand, but 90% of the thing has to be done by mothers.
By the
only,
moms,
like.
right.
But with this, like in Kitskar app, there's a co-parent access. Like,
Oh,
so
fantastic.
both parents can share the same data of the
Right.
kids, and like it's more of a like if you forget, your husband can remember it. Like he can get the notification on time and he can remember. Like,
Right.
and when we talk about Indian society, there's nothing like equal parenting and all. Like that is
Right.
not a feminist of me saying like, but it's like definitely
No,
comes to mind also.
I completely agree. But I really love the way that you've, you know, just bluntly and raw put it out there कि boss करते हम ही हैं.
Yeah, that's what the thing. Yeah, example can be like, yeah, I have came down to Chennai for this thing, like.
Right.
But yeah, definitely my husband is there for my kids today, like.
Correct.
But 90% of the thing, like you have tuition today, you have this class today, that has to be remembered by mother only.
Mother
like.
only, yeah.
So that app gives you a co-parent access, but it's definitely maybe we mothers gets more relaxed with something. It's on our
It
fingertip.
reduces
like,
our stress to a greater
yeah,
level
yeah,
than the actually the marital
that
thing
both
that works.
parents can access it, but yeah, mothers get the time because running the house, running your work, and
And the
being a
kids.
mother
Yeah.
and everything on the same plate is very difficult.
Very difficult. True, true. all of us have been through that, and we know how difficult
we
it
can
is.
portray a good image on like social media like it's like perfect parenting and all, but it doesn't happen like that's what my thing is like. So definitely we need like ease of thing for us
Right.
na? Ki if you get a notification, oh, the vaccination is
Right.
due for your kid, like
Right.
it's more helpful, like otherwise going through the papers and seeing like ki, this month which
And
vaccination.
कई बार ऐसा होता है ना, I mean, you know, I have personally experienced this. My husband is having said that my husband is a very hands-on dad, but you know, when it comes to like this paperwork and all, कई बार ऐसा होता था कि you know, if I'm asking him to go find the paper, the amount of time he'll take just to find that one paper ना, उतने में मैं 4 बार कर लूंगी.
You give up and say ki, let me find out, like that's what happened, like
So then it's like, so this way I agree, and I'm sure, has there been any instance where, you know, people like couples have come and told you that it has reduced our friction, or the concept of this unorganized parenting, it has reduced that friction between them and the stress as a couple because of this one app of yours? I mean, कभी ऐसा हुआ है आपको किसी ने ऐसा
for
feedback दिया है?
me, like from initial only I have started going for the brand awareness events on like
Right.
Kids Fest and all. Those were the time where I could like interact with my target audience, like the young parents, like to definitely matlab, if your brand is new, definitely they want to explore, like, and I have heard many times like we were not aware like something is there. Many of the parents have, is it a west thing, like
हाँ,
ये
correct,
foreign
correct.
की app है क्या
Correct.
इंडिया में चलेगी? They could initially thought like this because there's nothing as sort of like this in India. There are many, like if hospital, like kids hospital and all, they do it for you. There's some of the digitalization is done for you. They give you a vaccination reminder, the big shot hospital like, but they are not maintaining all your kids' health records.
Right.
That is just the vaccination reminder or the upcoming appointment reminder is there.
Maybe
like,
anything that has happened during जैसे आपकी delivery के time, maybe all those records they must be having, but not everything, every small little
yeah,
thing that
not
we do.
everything is like
Right.
documented by that, like, and in today's time more than digital health records, it's like personalized health record is more important.
Right, correct.
with time, like कि आपने भी देखा होगा कि कोविड के बाद there's more prone like कि we are listening कि something
Correct, कुछ ना कुछ होते ही रहता है आगे पीछे, right, correct.
something is happening, like तो we need to have like मतलब health record
Correct.
on fingertips कि
Correct.
क्या हो रहा है, unless and until you know तो आप कहाँ जाओगे
कहाँ
और क्या
जाओगे, very
पूछोगे और क्या करोगे करके in the time of emergency. तो that's what like unorganized से अच्छा है कि organized way में
Organized.
it's there, like, and it's just more helpful for like.
Of course, I feel on a lighter note कि आपने couples को एक रीजन दे दिया है, एक कम कर दिया रीजन लड़ने का कि एटलीस्ट एक चीज सारी ऐप पे है कि भाई देख लो आपस में, you know, you don't really have to run around for it. Okay, Nishta, now tell me, what was like the most surprising feedback that you have received from a parent or grandparent when you were starting your app about, you know, the traditional format कि अरे ये कैसे काम करेगा, we are तो good with the paper file and all. होता है ना, resistance generally बहुत होता है हमको कोई भी नई चीज़ experiment, और वो भी technology से related तो बहुत कुछ. So have you ever had this kind of a
I
experience?
definitely have many episode of it. What I found like was कि जब मैंने initially start किया था तो we did some brand awareness thing in Bangalore and all.
अच्छा.
तो Bangalore was welcoming, like कि वो startup है
Correct.
and startup culture is there, नया app, every other app is getting
And I think
like,
more techies, Bangalore is more of techie
हाँ.
people, so they are more
So
open
that,
to all this.
maybe that was my comfort zone, like
Right.
कि मतलब Bangalore, the traction was so good on the like initially, like, but later on ना कि मतलब मैंने जब गुड़गांव and नोएडा में events किया, तो then there I found ना कि maybe the north thing is that कि चीजों में गलती निकालना is like more easy for them, like ये technology है तो they can share your personal data like
Right.
name and phone numbers for like any other grocery delivering app and all other platform, like, but इसके लिए था कि how about my data and all those it's like boldly mentioned, like it's
It won't be
100 to
shared and confidentiality
yeah,
will be
it's
maintained.
end-to-end encrypted app, but still that hesitation was there कि हमारे data के साथ क्या होगा and all those. You feel comfortable sharing your data in other apps like
Correct,
मतलब
सही
हाँ
बात है.
for entertainment purpose and whatever other purpose, it's your choice. But when it's coming to your health like thing, तो that hesitance was there like. But उन्हीं events में से what I found like is tier 2 cities are more adapted for
Really?
digital
Oh,
technology
wow.
like
That's
yeah.
something new.
So
Okay.
we have done a
Shopping में I know, yes, they are more, I mean, more
no,
shoppers there,
with
but
tech wise
tech,
also and with
okay.
new things also.
Oh, nice.
What I found that Dehradun and Jaipur for me was more welcoming. Like
Oh.
they wanted to know what's there in your app, how it's going to solve our parents' problem. Because mostly we go for like kids fest or kids related events like. So they were more welcoming. That was my thing. Like instead of tier 2, the more focus should be tier 2, tier 1 rather than like those
कई बार हम
cities.
सोचते नहीं ना because we just go के भाई metros है या tier 1 cities है तो वो लोग ही ज्यादा होंगे, we don't
Yeah.
think of it the
Yeah.
other way.
And-
But tell me one thing, just this, I mean, gives me a follow-on question on what you were saying. Privacy, data privacy is one. See, I'm not talking about the name, the number. As you're saying, आजकल private तो कुछ भी नहीं रहा. But yes, that, I mean, personally अगर आप मुझे भी पूछोगे तो मुझे लगेगा अगर मैं मेरा medical record upload कर रही हूँ तो मतलब लाइक मेरे बच्चे का तो आई वुडेंट वांट दैट टू बी पब्लिक एंड एवरीबडी टू नो से फॉर एग्जांपल if he or she has a problem suddenly I wouldn't want everybody around to know it. So I think the parents came from those lines, or was it only
those lines only, but it's like more of a unless and until you use it you won't find it about like तुमने just देखा and you are not sure. But use के साथ पता चलेगा it's like end to end encrypted.
Encrypted,
No
कुछ
third
नहीं.
party is going to see your
See your-
data and all those
okay,
things.
okay.
And during those conversation only na in Jaipur, one of the event in Jaipur, one of the grandmother was there with the grandkids like, and she was curious like beta how you are doing it. When she saw my picture on the pamphlet she was like you are the founder. She was so appreciating of that thought
Right.
like कि you have built, okay, your kids have gone through this, you have gone through this, okay.
Correct.
तो she was more curious कि
Yeah, it's
हम
always-
कैसे
correct,
कर
correct.
सकते हैं, हम कैसे अपलोड करेंगे. अच्छा अगर 2 बच्चे हुए तो then I thought like कि मतलब if in the age of like 70s or something, if she's more interested in
Correct,
it, like
correct, सही
being a caregiver, then definitely it can be explored by parents.
parents, correct,
like,
correct. वो एक्चुअली सही है एंड आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई मीन ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एज यू सेड ऑफ कोर्स इट्स एन अचीवमेंट और जनरली उनका ही हेसिटेंस सबसे ज्यादा था बिकॉज टेक्नोलॉजी दे हैव सीन द लीस्ट एंड दे इवॉल्व्ड
Definitely.
ओवर टाइम विद
हाँ.
अस. तो अब उनके लिए नया उनको तो ऐसे भी कई बार लगता है आई मीन आई नो बीट माई मम और माई इन-लॉज एट होम कई बार बोलते रहते हैं सारे दिन तुम ऑनलाइन कुछ ना कुछ मंगाते रहते हो व्हाई डोंट यू जस्ट वर्क आउट. आई मीन ऑल दोस थिंग्स आर देयर. वो एक हेसिटेंस रहता है बट आई एम
उनका
हैप्पी दैट इट
फीडबैक डेफिनेटली नेहा ये था कि व्हाई नॉट फॉर एल्डरली पीपल आल्सो
I was just coming
बिकॉज विद टाइम लाइक कि बच्चे हम तो बच्चे बाहर रहते हैं हाउ वी
Correct.
मैनेजेस हमको जाना पड़ता है चेकअप के लिए एंड आई डिडंट हैड आंसर टू इट. मैंने बोला था
Correct.
कि ये तो मेरा पेन पॉइंट था और मैंने सोचा
वहाँ से it
कि
came
ये
up.
हुआ
True.
डेफिनेटली अगर मैं मेरा चल गया तो डेफिनेटली इट कैन
Maybe.
बी कॉपीड फॉर एल्डर्स आल्सो
Yeah.
लाइक.
So they've given you a follow-on business idea also. आप ये कर लो फिर
Definitely,
ऐड कर लेना.
definitely,
In fact
yeah.
मुझे भी in fact while we were conversing this came to my mind, see because medicals ऐसी चीज है why just kids. हमारा
Definitely.
सबका चलता है यार.
हाँ.
And forget the oldies. I feel now अभी our generation has also got into a place where age तो कुछ रहा ही नहीं है. Anytime anybody gets anything. So all of us have to maintain our medical
Yeah.
records practically. So yeah, of course it's a good idea and definitely I'm sure. So was there resistance? आपको कुछ कभी ऐसे बहुत negative मिला कि आपको लगा अरे यार this will not work out, I should really think about it? कभी I mean did that kind of
Not that much of negativity, but क्या होता है कि जब आप एक ब्रांड अवेयरनेस इवेंट करते हो इनिशियली 5 साल और एज वी से कि स्टार्टअप को 10 साल दिया जाता है कि टिल
Correct.
देन दे आर स्टार्टअप
True,
ओनली लाइक.
true.
तो इनिशियली यू हैव टू बी लाइक ऑन ग्राउंड करके मैंने मेक श्योर किया कि मैं हर इवेंट पे रहूं जहाँ पे मुझे डायरेक्टली फीडबैक मिलता
मिल
रहे करके कि कैसे यूज कर रहे हैं लोगों को क्या लग रहा है क्या फीडबैक मिल रहा है करके. इतना निगेटिविटी नहीं है, बट हाँ सम ऑफ द मतलब वो रहता है ना
Resistances है
कि सम ऑफ द पीपल
कि नहीं
फील
हमारे
लाइक
पेपर्स ही अच्छे हैं.
पेपर्स ही अच्छे हैं, या दे आर लाइक कि मतलब गवर्नमेंट कर रही है थ्रू आभा ना, तो गवर्नमेंट विल टेक टाइम. दैट आभा इज समथिंग डिफरेंट, दे
Oh,
मिस्टेक इट विथ लाइक आभा थिंग लाइक. तो आभा इज लाइक एक आईडी बनेगी जिससे आपका रिकॉर्ड्स गवर्नमेंट. तो not everyone is going to the government hospital
correct,
now.
correct,
We
correct.
is like कि maybe आपके pediatrician doctors यहीं पे होंगे, next door होंगे, तो you prefer that
That.
like. तो that hesitance is there. Otherwise ये नहीं है, मतलब actually मतलब इंडिया में ना बूम है कि डिजिटल हेल्थ रिकॉर्ड्स
Yes.
का है अभी, एंड इट्स मोर इनटू द मार्केट
Yeah.
लाइक. तो मे बी लाइक कि विद टाइम ये ज्यादा
Maybe
ये आ
you're in the
जाएगा.
right place and at the right time because India, yes, of course, digitalization is just begun practically here in a
Yeah,
lot of things.
yeah.
So of course, and people have now opened up to lot of it. You know, पहले बहुत hesitance था. I'm sure 8-10 साल पहले अगर आपको मुझे भी बोलते तो आप और मैं भी सोचते.
नहीं,
Even we
मैं
could
हाँ,
not have
हाँ,
agreed to
yeah.
it very easily. But today now we've evolved so much over the years कि अब हमें तो लगता है कि yeah, that's the best way to Next question is, so of course when it comes to kids these days, earlier it was just one mother handling the entire bit, but today of course there are multiple people with the mothers working. We have got busy, so there are a lot of people who are taking care of the child. They are nannies, they are grandparents, and they're like say fill-in dads at times. So how does your app deal with this kind of a setup? कैसे multiple जैसे users, how do you share, and do you have an option like that?
That option co-parent access, like anybody can access it, like maybe you, in your domain only, whoever is the caregiver can access it through like कि you can scan the QR code, like अगर आपके phone में install है, you are using
हाँ,
it, they can
okay.
like scan the QR code and then they will have your kids, all your
अच्छा.
records will be there like.
Okay, so basically अगर उनको ऐप डाउनलोड करना पड़ेगा,
ऐप डाउनलोड करना
and वो
पड़ेगा, you
स्कैन
have to
किया
scan
आपका
the
तो
QR
आपके
code,
बच्चे का सारा डिटेल्स
पूरा
उनके पास हो
details
जाएगा.
आ जाएगा.
और ऐसे मल्टीपल यूजर्स कर सकते
हाँ,
हैं.
definitely.
तो अगर जैसे मैं कर रही हूँ तो मैं कर लूँ, मेरे हस्बैंड और अगर नैनी है
Yeah,
तो even she
हाँ,
can have it
हाँ.
on a phone. Oh, so it can be shared like
It
that.
can be shared like within a family,
All
like
right.
it can be shared.
Okay, great. All right. अब आप मुझे ये बताइए निश्चित, if somebody new is starting off to with KidsCar, how easy or difficult or task taking is going to be initially to start off to starting to put your data on the app, because I'm sure सबके पास एक ढेर होगा and then you have to manually do it, and or how is it made it a little seamless? Can you just help us with that?
With this question, I will just explain what's the flow of the app.
Right.
Like. So initially, you need to download the app. Once you give your details like name, phone number, you log into the app. You enter your kids' data like name, age, date of birth. Once you enter the date of birth, it gives you the vaccination guide with the vaccination reminders, like what's the upcoming vaccination like. For the people who are like trying it for the first time, the ease is that only you can scan and upload the records.
Oh,
like,
okay.
You don't need to manually enter it.
Enter
like,
everything physically.
No.
Okay,
There's
that's
like
nice.
scan and upload your old prescription records and everything. For vaccination guide and reminder, once you enter the date of birth, it gives you the vaccination guide, like whatever
Pura,
will be the
details.
kid's age, like according to that
Perfect,
date of birth.
okay.
It gives you the reminder for the upcoming vaccination and all. Once you enter the height and weight, it gives you the growth chart. You can search for the pediatric doctors in your vicinity of 15-kilometer radius. You can search
Acha.
for the
So those are like the
pharmacies,
add-on things it will help you with.
yeah,
I understand that you have also tied up with this kiddo clinic where you have these doctors being pediatricians being there. How are the doctors reacting to people walking in with the app on the phone and not with the papers? How welcoming
it
or
is
how is
more welcoming for them, like because to refer to those pages and then कि ये तो missing है, last time क्या दिया था, क्या administer, क्या height weight. What we see, like doctors are more welcoming to it करके कि मतलब they are into noble perfect.
Yeah.
वो डॉक्टर अगर 5 मिनट आपके पुराने रिपोर्ट को देखने में लगा रहा है या खोजने में, तो इट्स मोर ऑफ अ ईज की मतलब दैट इज मोर रेडिली अवेलेबल फॉर यू.
और ऐसे देखे बिकॉज आइडियली एक्चुअली अगर ऐसे देखे तो इट इज इजियर फॉर देम ऑल्सो, बिकॉज ऑब्वियसली पेपर्स फ्लिप करने से उनको एक ही जगह पे फटाक से मिल जा रहा है एंड दे डोंट हैव टू रियली गो बाय इट. But yes, I'm happy to know that there's the resistance is not there, and they are welcoming.
Resistance is not there, they're welcoming to it, but like we have both set of
That's
people
okay.
in
Of
the
course, we
world,
live in
like
a world where there'll be people
so
who will
they're like
criticize
old
you.
school also, like
Huh.
they don't want to switch. Coming from my experience, only my pediatric doctors is 40 years into practice. He doesn't prefer. He remembers everything, but not like in our generation. We can't remember everything.
Every
So that ease of thing is that,
True.
and with Kiddo Clinic Plus, we are integrated to have a whole ecosystem, pediatric ecosystem.
Uh-huh.
आप एक ऐप पे आपके सारे रिकॉर्ड्स है. किडो क्लिनिक प्लस क्या कर रहा है, दे आर डिजिटलाइजिंग द पेडियाट्रिक क्लिनिक लाइक.
अच्छा.
तो यू हैव दैट वर्क फ्लो, आपको डिपेंडेंसी नहीं रहती है, दे आर मोर वेलकमिंग. जो
So the
ease
response is
of
good, basically.
रिस्पॉन्स इज गुड, लाइक विद टाइम, लाइक
Correct.
इफ यू आर बूटस्ट्रैप तो एक छोटे स्टेप्स के साथ स्टार्ट
Steps,
करते हो,
correct.
यू कैन टेक अ जाइंट स्टेप लाइक. तो बट डेफिनेटली विद टाइम इट विल बी
It will be
like evolving
better.
like.
Now, right now, suddenly we are into this phase where I see where you have these parents जिनको सबको suddenly anti technology होना है. Everybody wants कि भाई stay away from phone, don't use too much of phone and all that. And in such a setup right now where we are getting anti technology, a lot of parents and a lot of this generation, how are you pushing your app saying कि भाई अब ये पेपर वर्क भी आप डिजिटाइज कर दो और फोन पे ही देखो? So how do you manage this?
For this I wanted to say like that कि मतलब it's not a scrolling app ना, मतलब हम we are on the phone, that's correct, but we are on the social media, like we are scrolling. It's not for entertainment
Entertainment, true.
once in a while, like if you have visited the pediatric clinic today, you will scan and upload all your kids.
Right.
With time the vaccination frequency also decreases. After 5 years it's like 8 years. 8 years के बाद बहुत कम हो जाता है. Then there's not need of like frequently using the app,
right.
like on it's, the main is like it's for not for entertainment purpose, like
I think that's a very good point that you said कि भाई हाँ ये कोई एंटरटेनमेंट नहीं है.
हाँ.
और एक्चुअली हम इतना सारा फालतू का टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं स्क्रॉलिंग.
Yeah, तो
दिस
वो
इज
हाँ.
समथिंग व्हिच इज वेरी यूजफुल
Useful
एंड यू आर गोइंग टू स्पेंड वेरी लिटिल टाइम ऑन इट, एज यू सेड, नॉट दैट द फुल डे आप बैठ के वो देखने वाले हो.
वही वो है कि एक बार कर लिया एंड देन देयर इज
You are
लाइक
sorted.
यू आर सॉर्टेड आउट विद
Correct.
इट. यू डोंट नीड टू स्क्रॉल इट लाइक इसमें क्या नया आ रहा है ना.
और जब जरूरत हुआ, जैसे जब आपका हुआ तो नोटिफिकेशन आ ही जाएगा कि भाई दिस इज योर
you will
वैक्सीनेशन
get the
टाइम
push
रिमाइंडर.
notification, you will get the vaccination reminder. So that is not something scrolling also, like you, doctor, even if you are searching for the doctor, तो वो frequently नहीं होता है.
Right,
That
right.
is once in while करके you need to see the doctors, or तो you could preferably, being in a metropolitan city, आप चाहोगे कि आसपास हो. तो that is the ease, like 15 kilometer radius में whatever the
Correct.
pediatrician doctors
Correct.
will be there, it will show up in the so it's not a scrolling app, like that's what I feel like. So
correct.
it is not anti-tech. Definitely with tech it is easing your parenting
It's
chaos,
something
like
and it's something required and important, basically.
Yeah.
Got it. Okay, Nishita, अब आप ये बताइए. See, in India, this is a very common problem. I'm sure I've not seen this much of it in the West, where this self-medication thing. Like if my child is given one set of prescription and medicine, अगर उसको वही same बुखार खांसी सर्दी हुई है तो भले ही वो 2 साल पुराना prescription भी है, okay, I'll give the same medicine. How does your app, because as you said that it gives you information where this is the ideal thing, this is what you should be doing. How does this help in changing that? And like, does it also tell you, like, now if it is say 2 ml, if the child was to be given 2 ml at 2 years and it has to be now given 5 ml, something like that? Or how do you tackle that?
No, that point is not catered in our app, but definitely with our social media presence, we do that awareness videos with the pediatric doctors.
As an entrepreneur, how do you take feedback, Nishita? Because it's a very important aspect, but a lot of owners don't understand the importance of taking feedback. The moment somebody is saying negative, they just want to kind of roll back and not talk and not discuss, and somewhere I feel that's where you end up lacking. That's my perspective. But how do you deal with this kind of a thing? Like if somebody is giving you a negative feedback, how do you react to it?
I have a mixed feeling for that. maybe like positively I want to, if it's something to the tech thing, like if they are pointing out like it's end to end encrypted or not, or are you sharing it with the third party, then it definitely give you a mislike thing, because जब तक आप जानोगे नहीं, you can't comment on
Comment
it.
on it.
And the thing is कि what our mindset is like कि before knowing only we need to comment on it.
Correct.
That is something like, but मैं बहुत positively लेती हूँ उस चीज़ को
Okay.
कि मतलब feedback से कि then I found the gap in that. तब हमने पिवट किया कि नहीं, पेडियाट्रिक साइड के साथ साथ पेडियाट्रिक क्लिनिक भी अगर डिसलाइड होगा तभी ये पूरा इकोसिस्टम बन रहा है, नहीं
Right.
तो
What I
हमारे
wanted to
records-
understand from you was, so do you have like a process in place जहाँ पे आप वो फीडबैक जो अगर कोई आपको दे रहा है, which is constructive feedback I'm talking about, I'm not talking about the noise. जैसे आपने कहा लोग कुछ ना कुछ तो बकवास करते ही रहते हैं, that's fine, not that, because that is nowhere connected to us. But अगर किसी ने कुछ genuinely कहा है which makes sense and जो आपके ऐप में flaw है, तो do you go back and rework and try and correct
Definitely,
it?
I have like tried, because many
हाँ.
of the time it has happened ना कि ऐप तो इंटरनेट पे चलेगा, if the internet is slow,
हाँ.
they feel like कि मतलब
नहीं
ऐप
चल रहा है,
डाउनलोड नहीं
नहीं
चल
हो
रहा
रहा
है,
है,
and all
correct.
those that thing you can interpret like करके कि मतलब चलो मैं आपको ये करती हूँ, हॉटस्पॉट देती हूँ, just you need to download it easy. मैं कंस्ट्रक्टिव वे में लेती हूँ.
Right.
What I have thought like कि मतलब you can't cater to everyone, like
Correct,
one
correct.
who will connect will stay with you, the one who is genuinely interested वो आपसे पूछेंगे कि how it can be done, like how this can be done, what's your thing, like कि आपने बहुत सारे टेक्निकल चीज़ें लोगों ने पूछा है, many of them have suggested many things like कि गवर्नमेंट ग्रांट आप उसके साथ इंटीग्रेट करो, ये करो वो. तो they are mixed of feedback
Right.
for me, like, and it definitely एक पॉइंट ऑफ पे आपको लगेगा कि मतलब यू आर समथिंग लैगिंग बिहाइंड और समथिंग कि इवेंट काम नहीं किया. वंस यू वाइल यू ट्रैवल विथ ऑल योर वर्क फोर्स टू दैट पर्टिकुलर सिटी to do like something, but it happens. And
Correct.
ये जो स्टार्टअप जर्नी है, ये इट्स लाइक अ लर्निंग फेज फॉर
Very true,
एवरीवन.
very true,
like
very true.
you can't crack down all things at
Correct.
once करके आप
Correct.
धीरे धीरे ही सीखोगे और धीरे धीरे ही बढ़
बढ़
सकते हो.
सकते
So
हैं.
that is like a constructive way कि मतलब चलो
के कर लेते हैं,
कर
let's
लेंगे,
do
हाँ.
it, right. All right, Nishita, that brings me to my final but one question to you. Now, navigating through the tech startup, culture in India, working out through this entire, bootstrap company that you're running, your kids, your work, and of course, house. How do you manage the burnout and how do you go about it?
For this I want to say like कि there's we portray like ना कि everything is perfect. It can't be perfect. That's my thing.
Correct.
Initially I used to also feel like that burnout is there, like I feel exhausted by end of the day, and like 4 to 5 years of entrepreneurial journey and like 7 years with my husband's journey. So I have seen that ना कि that perfect moment is not there. You will
Perfect
be
सिर्फ
like exhausted.
spelling में perfect होता है
हाँ,
और कुछ
और
भी
कुछ
perfect
नहीं,
होता ही
हाँ.
नहीं है.
तो with support system you can definitely navigate
वो है.
through, like क्योंकि आपको घर भी मैनेज करना है, आपको
सही
बच्चों
बात
को
है.
भी देखना है
True.
और आपको कंपनी को भी देखना
देखना
है,
है.
you have to be there everywhere करके.
Yeah.
तो एक बैलेंस सिस्टम हैज टू डेवलप. मेरे लिए दैट रूटीन इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट. अब मैं ये भी नहीं हूँ कि आई एम स्टिकिंग टू दैट रूटीन like 100%, but I'm giving it to 90% कि मैं उस रूटीन को फॉलो करूँ.
Right.
But once in while वो नहीं होता है, and that I have
And I
figured
think
it
that's
out.
okay. I think खुद को इतना लीव है तो हमें देना चाहिए. It's okay.
That's-
I mean, अगर आप 30 days में 25 days follow कर रहे हो, अगर 5 दिन आपका मन नहीं हो रहा है ना, तो I personally feel it's okay. I mean, it's okay.
But वो क्या होता है ना कि when you are like in a startup culture ना, that pressure is there on you.
Yeah.
Like हम पहले क्या होता है कि हमको 9 to 5 नहीं करना है, then we started off with passion like let's do our own.
Own,
अब
yeah.
क्या होता है कि we are on the 24/7 वाले
7
thing
वाला
ना,
correct,
pattern पे
true,
आ जाते
true,
हैं.
right.
तो उसमें क्या है कि वो बैक बटन नहीं, आप डेफिनेटली घर पे हो, यू आर थिंकिंग अबाउट द फैमिली,
Right.
बैक ऑफ द माइंड अभी चल रहा है. टुडे आई एम इन चेन्नई,
Correct.
टीम ने क्या किया होगा, have they posted or not, have they navigated those things or
Right.
my points or
True.
not. बच्चे स्कूल से आएंगे, my husband will be there ना. तो for that I want to say कि एक रूटीन जरूरी
जरूरी है. true.
for everyone. It's
Everybody,
not
very
like
true.
कि हम
That's
entrepreneur
like
हैं
the
तो
most basic thing, yeah. That
that
discipline,
routine has
yeah.
to be there,
Very true.
and the support system has to be there. Like
Yeah.
whether it's your parent, whether it's your in-laws, whether it's
Husband,
your
anybody,
spouse,
yeah, true.
anybody is like more than like कि मैं ये करती हूँ कि मेरे parent many of the time they are there in Bangalore
Correct.
to look after them because I have like weekend events in different cities तो वो हैं. My husband prefers like today he didn't had any like meeting schedule कि तुम नहीं हो तो I am there in and around the house only करके.
That's
So
very
that
important,
support
yeah.
system
Yeah.
and more than that ना मतलब with your friends and family who understand your journey, it is more of a ease like.
Very true.
कि if I need someone तो there are many people in my support system, they are standing behind me
That.
कि you can go like कि we can look after
Look,
that
very,
thing,
very true.
so you don't need to
Very
bother.
true. आपने एक बहुत अच्छी बात बोली. See it and the entire whole concept of help. I mean, I'm sure all the entrepreneurs out there, specifically women, must and people who are listening to this podcast, I would like to urge this out to you guys. If there is a woman in your family who wants to do something on her own, just give her that wing, give her that time, and let her just be and give her that support. I'm sure उसके अलावा ज़्यादा नहीं चाहिए. आप वो थोड़ा सा support दे दीजिए and things work. I'm sure
Definitely,
बस वो
yeah.
मिल जाए ना तो हो जाता है. अब जैसे आपने बोला, and it has to begin from home, from the most important people in your life, which is going to be your husband or your parents, your in-laws. वहाँ से हो जाता है ना, you're sorted.
Then you're sorted
Yeah.
out like.
Yeah.
And maybe like ना कि he's seeing you, your kid is seeing
Right,
you ना,
right.
मतलब they see your passion or they see your
Yes.
work. Like I feel like my biggest cheerleader are my kids. Like
Agreed,
they were more
completely.
excited
Yeah.
like कि this podcast will come on YouTube. What's the
Right.
channel name? तो मैं वो
Yeah.
सोच रही हूँ कि maybe whatever I'm doing on this revenue model मेरा
Correct,
क्या
correct.
आएगा, I don't
That's a
know the
different-
future करके.
Agreed.
But I'm making my kids independent.
Right,
कि
right.
today they won't be there कि ममा stop पे नहीं होगी तो I can't manage.
True.
And more than my son, my daughter is into it. Like कि मतलब you are a women entrepreneur after all.
Wow.
I feel like quitting some days. Like कि मतलब I'm a director in my husband venture also.
Right.
I feel like कि वो ज़्यादा comfortable है being a director there. Like कम दिमाग लगाना पड़ेगा. Then I feel like कि मैं उसको क्या सिखा रही हूँ ना कि not to
Very
give up
true.
like.
Very true.
And my son was like, I have told everyone in my school na कि you are a women entrepreneur. Don't quit now. And startup journey is like that
Like
only.
that
You
only.
will be like end of the day you will feel exhausted.
True.
लगेगा कि अब बंद कर दो यार
नहीं,
ये
and it's
hustle.
आपने एक बहुत अच्छा point बोला that I always tell a lot of moms who come to me for counseling जहाँ पे they have given up on their careers and they are so sad now deep within क्योंकि उनका अंदर का टूट चुका है क्योंकि उन्होंने and बहुत proudly कई बार बोलते हैं मुझे बोलने के लिए कि ना I've sacrificed my life for my kids and I tell them please don't.
No.
क्योंकि
yeah.
आप फिर अंदर को खुद से इतना तोड़ रहे हो ना एंड आप उनके लिए अच्छा एग्जाम्पल सेट नहीं कर रहे हो. यू आर नॉट सेटिंग द राइट एग्जाम्पल बाय एनी चांस बाय सेइंग दैट आई एम सैक्रिफाइसिंग माय लाइफ फॉर यू. डोंट डू दैट. जैसे आपने कहा you are setting an example for your kids कि boss I'm working and you should also do the same. Let them learn that from you. And of course as you said kids are it makes you feel nice when they are your own cheerleaders and nothing कोई और appreciate करे ना करे at the end of the day back home makes you feel so nice and happy.
And definitely with nowadays ना कि ये जरूरी नहीं है कि you do something like entrepreneur ही बनो. Whatever
कुछ
things
भी
you are
कुछ
doing
correct.
like
Just being
even-
independent. The
just
idea
be
is that.
independent.
Just be independent.
And what's the thing I want to share one more thing with you. I have started off this after a sabbatical of like 8 years. Like
Wow.
I was working till 2012, then I quit. Like I got married, shifted to Delhi.
Takes a lot
then
of guts.
things
Yeah.
didn't work out. Then I had this premature delivery and all those things. After certain period of time, after that sabbatical, once you start on your own or whatever thing, it gives you a second thought. Like कि
Yeah.
क्यों करना
Your
है
confidence
करके.
is zero or
Yeah.
rather negative. So you just to pull yourself back itself takes a lot of time. I totally get
And
that. Yeah.
I feel that कि if I can do, the
Anybody.
whole lot of people, everyone can
Very
do
nice,
it,
very
just to
nice thought.
stand
Yeah,
up
yeah.
and do it like.
Correct.
And it's not necessary like कि tech में ही करना है या कुछ भी करना है. There's
बस
like
आप इंडिपेंडेंट
everything.
रहिए. Very true.
To be independent, and it's not something like financial independency सब कुछ नहीं होता. There's
Correct.
like mindset. You're teaching your kid for that.
Yeah,
like,
why
कि
just
he's learning
finance,
है तो.
emotional independence,
Yeah.
anything. It's very important to be independent. बस
And
point वो है.
in today's generation, it's more important for your mental being and for family mental being
correct.
also.
Very
कि you're doing something productivity and everything fall in place. जब आप एक स्टार्ट कर देते हो ना, that's what I say ना कि एक बार रूटीन में आ जाओ, then there's nothing like मतलब you
Then
can
there's no
manage
looking
like
back. आप कर
looking back.
सकते हो. Correct. All right, Nishta, that brings me to my final question to you. It has been a lovely conversation. I've truly enjoyed myself and got to know so much about the app, about you as a person, and of course about entrepreneurship. Now, the last and the final question is to all the parents out there who are confused, tired, fatigued, overwhelmed with so many things. What will be that one piece of advice that you would want to give them in terms of being a parent, from a parent's perspective, and of course, from the perspective of your business and from your app, and how things can be made easier and more smoother? What would be that one thing that you would
From
like?
my side, it will be like there's no perfect parenting like thing. कि when we see,
Let's break that
हाँ,
myth.
because we have been seeing, I'm not like defaming anyone, but when you see that mother influencers or the influencers doing
no,
the
no, वो सिर्फ
YouTubers,
Instagram पे ही perfect
so
होता
that
है.
10-second or 30-second reel
Is not
doesn't
what it
give you
is. Correct.
that is shown in a positive way and all
Correct,
good
correct,
things only.
correct.
So there's no something like
Right.
कि मतलब perfect parenting is there. Like you evolve with your time. Like
Yeah.
once मतलब your kid is small, you evolve with that.
You should take your own time. It is a
Yeah.
tailor-made thing for everybody.
Yeah.
आपके लिए क्या वर्क करता है? You should see that.
Yeah, and every journey is different. We should not do comparison. That
Very true.
comparison is there like उसके बच्चे ने ये किया, someone kid has done. That comparison should not be there. And more than comparison ना वो anxiety, वो peer pressure, it remain with us like. So that is something I prefer, like being a women entrepreneur, being a mother. I have seen the hardship of motherhood also. I say like कि there's no perfect parenting in this
Correct.
world. Like you
Or-
evolve with your time, you evolve in your motherhood all.
Right. Very true.
And definitely I can say in this platform like this करके कि when you are evolving in your motherhood, then you get to know your mother more better than your teenage or your time. Like.
Agreed,
So
agreed.
that is like it's.
I think all of us as daughters, most of us have always been papa's girls.
That's
but the
what.
moment you become a mom, suddenly
you
your
understand
perspective
all
change.
the perspective of
Yeah,
mothers,
yeah,
like
yeah.
what was
Suddenly you
there.
start realizing, oh my God, मेरी माँ ने कितना गुजर किया होगा,
Yeah,
because
that-
now you're going through it.
Yeah, definitely. Matlab, I have seen like, and I have more respect for my mother after becoming a mother, like what
Agreed.
she has done,
Completely,
like, and
yeah.
what she has taught,
Yeah.
like. So the only advice I give now, don't rely on social media parenting and all those things like.
Agreed. That's the last thing one should be doing.
Yeah, it's more of a your journey. Evolve with your time. It will take more time for you. Maybe किसी के लिए 5 दिन लगा होगा, आपके लिए 10 दिन लग सकता है, but you will definitely crack
there.
down.
Correct.
And you're more. अब एट लास्ट क्या होता है ना कि बच्चों को ना आपका परफेक्शन नहीं दिखेगा.
उन्हें वो
He
चाहिए
will
भी
need,
नहीं.
हाँ,
Correct.
कि like a perfect mother.
Yeah,
My
yeah.
mother is a women
Correct,
entrepreneur.
correct.
She's more perfect. She's
हाँ.
earning. उसको वो केयर दिखेगा. What you are showing, you are being around with him and all those things.
Exactly.
Like that.
Exactly.
That matters more. Like कि
Exactly.
मतलब ये mother instinct भी है, and that is the thing he will remember for.
Right.
What we have seen in our time, our parents were around. Like
Around us.
we were not like.
आज सबसे बड़ी लग्जरी बच्चों के लिए वही है. अगर आप
हाँ.
अपने बच्चे के साथ टाइम स्पेंड कर पा रहे हो ना, उससे ज्यादा कुछ भी नहीं है.
Nothing is
क्योंकि
more like.
आज की तारीख में वही सबसे ज्यादा स्कैर्सिटी है बच्चों के पास. You know, so many times kids, you know, tell me that, you know, I want my mom to be there at times. She's busy. उनके पास टाइम नहीं है. I don't know whom to talk to. तो अगर आप टाइम दे पा रहे हो अपने बच्चों को, उससे बड़ी लग्जरी नहीं है. ट्रस्ट मी, आप दुनिया के सारे खिलौने, सारी चीजें.
Yeah, वो वही है, that care and time has to be there,
There.
like करके, and definitely वो that helps more than anything, like.
Very, very well said. And on that note, my just one thought that came to my mind, as she said very beautifully, Instagram, social media, आप कुछ भी देखते हो, you can take ideas कि ओके अगर आपने कुछ आप अलग कर रहे हो और अगर आपको कुछ आइडिया अच्छा लगा फ्रॉम अ सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर वेयर शी इज सेइंग यू कैन डू इन अ सर्टेन वे, try and learn and adapt and change if you can.
Yeah.
But don't make that as a norm and as a point of comparison कि this is the best way and this is the only way. No.
Yeah.
As she rightly said, everybody has a unique journey. So don't fall into this trap where you have to start becoming just like the other person you're following. That's not the whole idea. Right? On that note, yes, thank you, Nishita. It was a lovely conversation. You've come out with a beautiful app, and I'm sure it's going to help a lot of parents out there. Wish you all the success and all the best. And as the ideas came up, आप kids के बाद adults start करिए, फिर seniors start करिए, and I really hope that you grow by leaps and bounds in your journey and it takes you places. It was a fantastic conversation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Neha, for inviting me. And like it really felt good to have this conversation with you. Na? Thank you so much.
Well, guys, I had a fantastic time having this conversation with Nishita. I'm sure all of you also enjoyed and got a lot of information about how we can actually reduce our entire paperwork into digitization format and how it really will save you from all the stress. So do let me know how you like the podcast, how this helped you, and what more you would like to see on Meaningful Mondays with Neha, so that I can come up with more fantastic ideas, fantastic people, and different concepts. Until then, it's me, Neha, signing off. Bye-bye.